Welcome to this video session. I am Saravanan. We are going to see about the Vlan in this tutorial. Vlan is otherwise called as virtual LAN. The reason for implementing virtual LAN within this network is to divide a big broadcast domain into smaller segments. The function of such is always forward the broadcast also. Say for example, when this particular host need to communicate within this departmental system, if it initiates a broadcast, by default the switches will forward the broadcast to all the host systems through the switches, other switches also. This leads to unnecessary data traffic within this network, and also it leads a security issue. In the sense, when this particular system send a broadcast only within this departmental system, but because of this nature of broadcasting by the switches, all the system within this network will receive the data, which leads to a security hazard. That is the reason why we go for virtual LAN. Virtual LAN, to create virtual LAN, we are going to create Vlan, and we are make this particular link as access link, so that the access link will allow only data packet from a particular Vlan. First, let us see the broadcast nature of the switch. When the system send a broadcast with this command, the data packet sent to all the system within this network. So to avoid this, we are going to create Vlan. Okay. So all the 5 systems received 4 packets. Total 20 packets are received. 4 packets are sent from this machine, and rest of these 5 systems received 4 packets each. So total 20 packets are received by all the systems. To avoid this broadcasting nature, we are going to create a Vlan. So switch 1 connected with fast Ethernet 1 and 2 with 2 systems. The same way, switch 2 is having connection with fast Ethernet 1 and 2 with 2 host system, and switch 3 also connected with fast Ethernet 1 and 2 ports with 2 hosts. We are going to create VLAN 10, and we are going to assign a access link and also VLAN 10 within this 2 ports. Same like that, we are going to create VLAN 20 and assign to this with this port. So let us see how to do that. Enable, configure terminal, VLAN followed by the VLAN ID. And we can give a name to that also. The command is name accounts, exit. Now we are going to assign this VLAN to the port, fast Ethernet port F1 and F2. So for that, interface. We can give a range also, range range f0 bar 1 hyphen 2. That is, we are going to assign VLAN for fast Ethernet ports 1 and 2. The command is switch port mode access. This means we are going to create this access link connected to this port, and we are going to assign a virtual LAN 10 to these two ports. Command is switch port access VLAN 10. That's it. Exit. Same like that, we are going to create in switch 2 also. Enable configure terminal. Let us create VLAN 20. Name is production. Exit. Interface f0 bar 1 hyphen 2 fast Ethernet. Interface range fast Ethernet 0 1 hyphen 2. That means we are going to create access link to port 1 and 2. Switch port mode access. Switch port access VLAN 20. Exit. Same way we are going to create in switch 3 also. Enable configure terminal. VLAN 30. Name of that is HR department. Exit. Now interface range FA bar 1 FA 0 bar 1 hyphen 2. Switch port mode access. Switch port access. Let us attach this port with VLAN 30. Okay. Now let us send a broadcast from this system to other systems. Now you can observe that this particular broadcast sent only to the departmental system. That is, the other system is receiving. That switch is not allowing this broadcast to other switches. So by this you can reduce the traffic, unnecessary traffic, and you can secure the data also within this network. Now let us try to ping this. See here, this particular system could ping only this system. So we have created a broadcast domain. Out of one broadcast domain, we have created 3 broadcast domains. So this system could communicate with only its departmental system. Same like that, let us ping 0.0.0. So this 10.0.3.3 could ping only this system. At the same time, now the problem is we could restrict the broadcast, but the connectivity to other systems are not established because of this VLAN. So for that, what we have to do is we have to go for a L3 switch, layer 3 switch, or a router, so that each and every VLAN is considered as a separate LAN. Then by implementing a L3 switch or a router, we could establish communication between these systems. That we will see it in our next part of this tutorial. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching.